my journey from India to New Zealand. She still had doubt because someone else told her that this is not possible. I quit my job in 2018 thinking what I'm gonna do, I can't tell. Student visa की एक और मैं आपको एक टिप देना चाहूंगी कि जो applicants मेरे इंडिया में हैं, even don't have teaching experience, we still can take your case. I'll get you started working and you'll be able to earn up to $390. Hi everyone, it's Supreet here from Auckland, New Zealand. Today I'll tell you about my journey from India to New Zealand, as lately I'm getting so many calls कि आप क्या करते हो, कहाँ रहते हो, आप फीस कैसे लोगे, अपफ्रंट होगी फीस या फीस आपकी एप्लीकेशन के बाद ड्यू होगी. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर एप्लीकेशन एंड माई कॉन्फिडेंट. इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट माई इनवॉइस इज ड्यू अपफ्रंट, दैट मीन्स आई एम क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर केस, बट that's okay. I'm pretty flexible with that as well. If you're in New Zealand on student visa, then when we can do the payment plan as well. Not in all the cases, only in certain cases, depending on when you're coming to meet me and we can discuss. So usually I don't meet. It's all online. I talk over the phone. And when someone talks to me, they can get to know my information, my knowledge, my skills, and what I know about New Zealand and all that. And you can always search me on the teacher registrar on Teacher Council website with my last name. My name is Supreet Kaur Alag. You can search Alag and you'll get to see my registration number and my details on the Teacher Council. So that is one way so that you can verify me that I'm genuine. Lately, I had a call from someone saying that the applicant is actually halfway through the case. She has paid already. She still had doubt because someone else told her that this is not possible to get the registration without doing level 7, which I understand not many people know about this provision. So, and I don't blame them. That is fine. And also, I will also suggest that for anyone who is investing to do their homework properly, they can search, because there are many scams already happening. But I will say that again, you can go back to my shorts, go to my channel, click on the shorts and see the scam video. You can read the comments under that. Then you will get to know more about me. Also, you can Google us as Wonderwell Community Limited. You can read the reviews there and you'll get to know we are genuine. So how I landed in New Zealand, my sister was already here since 2006. Then I came in 2010. In 2011, I got my residency done. It was not that hard at that time. So since 2018, I worked in a childcare center. Then suddenly I got a call in 2018. I still remember that time. Hey Supreet, I'm calling from Ministry of Education and हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि आप qualified नहीं हो, आप qualified की तरह काम नहीं कर सकते. So my question was why? It's not my fault. Now after 8 years of working as a qualified teacher, actually it was so embarrassing for me that I couldn't take it. So I quit my job in 2018 thinking what I'm gonna do. I can't tell the centers where I was working as an assistant manager and manager position. I couldn't tell them that I'm not qualified anymore to work. And then I didn't want to work as an unqualified teacher where I was getting paid as, $35 an hour, and I couldn't go and work there at $23 an hour. So that was actually embarrassing for me. So I went through a lot of stress, lot of hard time. Then ये जर्नी मेरी स्टार्ट हुई. मैंने टीचर काउंसिल को ईमेल की, बहुत सारी एजेंसीज को मैंने इन्वॉल्व किया. Whatever I could do at that time to resolve this situation. Though I would say teacher council was very supportive, very helpful. They were very patient with me, with all my even angry emails as well. They were, replying very patiently because I think in the background they were working on this scenario. So कितनी emails मेरी गई प्राइम मिनिस्टर को, लोकल MPs को. But the problem was क्योंकि ये गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी थी तो कोई भी लॉयर मेरा केस लेने के लिए रेडी नहीं था. तो मेरे पास ऑप्शन यही थे कि मैं खुद ही अपने लिए फाइट करूं. फिर मेरे कोलीग्स ने, मेरे एम्प्लॉयर्स ने, मेरे मैनेजर्स ने, जो भी मेरे हाइट्स थे पहले सेंटर्स में, उन्होंने मेरी सपोर्ट की. उन्होंने भी लेटर्स लिखी. लोकल MP की भी लेटर्स गई टीचर काउंसिल को. मैंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को इन्वॉल्व किया, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को इन्वॉल्व किया. तो दैट वाज माय जर्नी. एंड टू लेट यू ऑल नो, आई वाज द वन दे यूज्ड एज अ डमी केस फॉर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन discretionary pathway. So this is how I know what exactly to do in this case. तो आप लोग जो आप लोगों के लिए provision start हुआ है, I was used as a dummy case in 2018 and उसके बाद मैंने schools में relieving start कर दिया. I got to know कि अगर आपके पास ये NZQA report है and आपको registration मिल गई है, you can work in primary and secondary. तो registration तो मेरे पास थी, इसलिए I didn't have to worry about it too much. But because I was only working in ECE, so my fear was that I couldn't work in ECE on that registration because I had non-comparable registration on, I think I had secondary as an endorsement. So उन्होंने फिर ये पैनल स्टार्ट किया जिसपे पूरा प्रॉपर वर्क हुआ. मैंने अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रोवाइड किए एंड लकीली व्हेन इनिशियली इन 2011 व्हेन आई एक्चुअली अप्लाइड फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन, उसमें बहुत क्लियर था कि मुझे जो फुल टाइम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला था वो ECE का था. And I told them that I'm working in ECE, so they had to do something about it. Now they know that since then, when NZQA is unable to decide the sector, तो discretionary pathway तब से ये start हो गया है कि जो लोग इसमें नहीं अप्रूव हो पा रहे हैं वो इस पाथवे के थ्रू जाएंगे. एंड एक्चुअली आई कॉल दिस लफी रिपोर्ट व्हेन यू गेट नॉन कंपेरेबल रिपोर्ट व्हिच सेज डज नॉट मीट द कोर रिक्वायरमेंट. व्हाई आई टेल यू, क्योंकि इसमें आप बड़ी इजीली अपना एक्सपीरियंस, अपनी क्वालिफिकेशंस, अपनी जो भी लेटर्स, सपोर्टिंग लेटर्स, एविडेंसेस आप प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो जो आप NZQA क्यों नहीं दे सकते. इंटर्नशिप लेटर हो गई, इसमें आप प्रैक्टिकल्स दिखा सकते हो, अपने बहुत सारे एविडेंसेस लगा सकते हो जो आपका केस स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट वी डू. वी प्रोवाइड you with full support. We do all your work. We deal with teacher council as well. So hopefully अब ये मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को हेल्प करेगी जानने के लिए. एक तो आई एम बेस्ड इन ऑकलैंड, फ्लैटबुश. अगर आप मुझे गूगल करते हो वंडरवेल कम्युनिटी लिमिटेड, you'll be able to see the address as well. I am genuine, guys, and when we take over the case, we do charge, but when we take over the case, we do everything for you. From formatting the documents, of course, this will be in discussion with the applicant. We talk in very detailed discussion to CV, your curriculum, your module, subjects, topics, school board. There are lots of things involved, and what we do is it's worth for you to pay and get on board with us if you want to apply for teacher registration. And उसके बाद आपको कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. टीचर काउंसिल से हम खुद डील करते हैं थ्रू ईमेल, सो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन होती है सीधा रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिसर्स के साथ. नाउ अनदर थिंग इज 2018 के बाद फिर मेरे पास अर्ली चाइल्डहुड सेंटर जो था मेरा, वो मैंने बाय किया. इट वॉज वंडरवेल अर्ली लर्निंग सेंटर, इसीलिए मेरी कंपनी का नाम वंडरवेल कम्युनिटी लिमिटेड है, बिकॉज दैट वॉज द इनिशियल कंपनी विच वॉज फॉर्म्ड इन 2020. सो आई हैड अ चाइल्ड केयर, I sold it. I had fun of being there. अभी जो अगर आप मेरी YouTube चैनल पे जाओगे, उसमें अगर आप शॉर्ट्स पे जाते हो, स्कैम वाली वीडियो पे जाते हो, उसमें आप कमेंट्स भी रीड करोगे तो वहां पे मेरे जो एम्प्लॉइज थे उन्होंने भी कमेंट्स किए हुए हैं. You can go and read it. If you go through all the comments, you'll find them. उसके बाद फिर 2020 throughout I did relieving as well in primary, इसी secondary. उसके बाद मैंने मेरा सेंटर जब सोल्ड कर दिया, फिर मैंने I came into relieving and now I'm doing this registration cases full on. I'm focusing on this registration only. I support people as well. I do classroom training sessions as well. I will try to ask my applicants to comment below when I train them. I tell you exactly what to do in the classroom. We prepare you for interview as well for New Zealand schools, ECE centers. If you don't know where to start, we get you started as well. And on the other side, I'm doing immigration cases as well. So I have a licensed immigration advisor who does all my applications. We have a tie-up with an agency based in Auckland, New Zealand, and also they have offices in India as well. If you have any application for student visa, visitor visa, work visa, residency visa, you can contact us as well for that. The benefit of coming to us for a student application as well, that we as Wonderwell community, we guide our applicants throughout. हमने अगर assignments में कोई problem आ रही है तो हम उन्हें sources भी दे देते हैं आगे. Applicants जो हमारे पुराने जिन्होंने courses किए उनके साथ भी connect करा देते हैं. अगर आप ECE कर रहे हो तो उसके अगर कोई topics discussion है, that I personally discuss these topics with you if you are getting stuck. So if you have any doubts anymore, please comment below and I'll definitely मैं आपको आंसर करूंगी. अगर आपको कुछ और ऑकलैंड के बारे में या न्यूजीलैंड के बारे में कोई और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, टीचिंग सेक्टर के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, मैं एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगी अभी आपके लिए जो होगी न्यूजीलैंड टीचर सैलरी पे, तो I'll definitely make that. But if you have got NZQA report which is non-comparable and you even don't have teaching experience, we still can take your case. We will review it and let you know if you should go ahead or not. स्टूडेंट वीजा की एक और मैं आपको एक टिप देना चाहूंगी कि जो एप्लीकेंट्स मेरे इंडिया में हैं, जो मेरे साथ ये रजिस्ट्रेशन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, वो यूजुअली ये बाय ऑप्शन रखते हैं कि रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गई है वंडरवेल कम्युनिटी के थ्रू। स्टूडेंट वीजा अगर आप हमारे थ्रू ही करवाते हो, हम आपको प्रॉपर कोर्स सजेस्ट करते हैं। ये नहीं कि आप सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा में आ जाओ, यही कॉलेज में आ जाओ। आपका प्रॉपर CBSS करके आपको राइट कोर्स जो आपको आगे फर्दर रेजिडेंसी के लिए बहुत इजीली हेल्प कर पाए, वही हम आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं। एंड इसमें बेनिफिट आपको ये है कि जब आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन ले ली हमारे थ्रू, एज सून एज यू लैंड इन द कंट्री ऑन अ वैलिड वीजा ऑन स्टूडेंट वीजा, आई विल गेट यू started working and you'll be able to earn up to $390 per day. That is 5 hours pay. So it's about $60 an hour you land on. Now it depends on all your documents as well for NovaPay assessment. This is a total separate topic. I'll make video on that as well. So when you're doing a registration case through us, we on the side we guide you for NovaPay assessment documents as well, so you don't have to go back to your school. So I think that's all for this video. My journey, now I'm settled since 2010. It's 2025, so 15 years I've been in New Zealand. If you have watched my video and you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with all your family and friends. Thank you.